Nagosogeire omwancho murigeri begataseni kia Ndizi TV bwairire buyani go chiaragire Nagosogeri omwancho murigere begataseni kia Ndizi TV chiaragire Chinsa Ikomi chia bono mogoroba kwarigania senchera ya beno nyare gusanga amona into ya maya Chinsa Ikomi nganyare ko bagagwateka chikorwa chinsemo ao imeorogongorwa Gusii ya Kenya na boigo iskoyense ya Kenya nyora boigo mangana ya Amayia na boko yabwate gwetera se mitandao ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na boigo gwetera YouTube Ndizi TV ulitokubwatera naera gwetera asomonwa Webimanyererio Joshu Auta elitirane kwa Josephat Amisi ngura nanda sekero getali getambe elindo nyara ko bato gusanga amonaye Kegima togo chaka kurwa ase county ya Kisii omochi okeroka Magaya banyanyimbo kubwata egali yanyaleta kobage kutoka na mariogo bono nigo oboteneneli bwe county ya Kisii anena kurwa ase wizara yobochenu bweso kire na goteba amariogo ayo nigo arengeye kambani bene na boigo tali ye serikali bunachingwa na chanyaleta kobachiku bwato kwali tuko lyeigoro boigo bakora wano muwaziri bobochenu me county ya Kisii le abwari nigatebire boigo serikali ye county ya Kisii nechikobaye kweneki inga amarioga yako nyara kwa baga kubwato kono botenerwe county yo anyare kwa baga tumeka bene ase chinchira chiria chibwenerete.
Well, our officers while on normal traffic check intercepted this vehicle and after inquiring from the driver he could not give full account of what he was carrying because he never had any invoice which drew suspicion and it was brought at our station whereby we consulted the Kenya Pharmacy and Poisons Board and the Ministry of Health from Kisii County.
Nalina batebitanga ninga namutika karobisi ontoma kuchisiko achi korobuna maliogare nando ni pia vie governor ito simbarati gare very featuranti eskoranga maliogo aituta basi kusira nonye na makere ndo kwate abantu baito turigete tia maiso kabisa koranga maliogo ngutumika bunata kire bono mna tuate buna basikali tonyolenga maliogo yake ene talenga ye serikali asa igo mutu arobole munga maliogo serikali taye ibiru na maliogo manyana akolete arkolete sisto yo iganga taracha ase post Kenya power
kuno motivu wa bisate yabire twarorire maliogo yatarenga aserikali nande gento kiagere kenene yagera twarento bo kagero konge goikatogete kiagere gapunjaro rekana ingelibune karo ya baligererwa mbabwate ene invoice babwate delivery yoka lakini rende nande ntoliko bisago tateba nga nonya babwata marioga aya mbabugorera nitena wani ndagira re yetari buya
Tukutikana roboti urukuru ase county ya Kisii tukusuka gwikira ase county ya Mombasa bono nigo William Ruto achakire egasibene buna umuteneneri anene bwa ensemo elia KPA ose Kenya Post Authority aya nigo achire magiga yere gochorwa buna umuteneneri anene o KPA na aneno yore omuwaziri w'obosombi Kipchumba Murkomen kubatakana na Murkomen nigatebere Ruto anyare ko bagotwara obumanyi obunge magiga yere gokora emiremo anene ase ensemo elia ya Kisumu umuteneneri oyibono bono omuyani gatebira chikobaga kwerwa na goene kiabuna anene KPA asensemo ya Mombasa nyale kwa begonchoreria obokoleri obwo bwanyale kwa bokwera na maigase miaka eremotwe ruto bono nigara chikoba omokoreri gosomo teneneri bwe kampani ya KPA ase miaka 3 eremotwe.
Sema ni kama Mungu alitupatia uchama. Sababu number 1, yeye ni mwanasiasa. Na kile imekuwa ikiumiza hii port, mambo ya siasa. Sasa mimi naomba chama, wewe nisaidie nishikia wale wa siasa. Mimi niachia wafanyaji kazi. Mimi hao wafanyaji kazi, mimi tadili nao. Nataka kupatia uhakikisho kuwa performance lazima iende juu. Na jameni, kuanzia leo, we want to plan how we'll start breaking records. Najua lazima pia naye tuonyeshe wakubwa wetu wale wako Nairobi kuwa sisi tunajua kazi na tunaweza na tuna uwezo. Ya mwisho, ni mimi naomba nyinyi wote. Unajua kuna mambo mengi yanafanyika, mambo ya absenteeism jamani. Absenteeism, tafadhali tuache. Imeisha. Sababu sasa mimi leo ni siku yangu ya kwanza.
Togosuka motwe magiga yomu waziri buborendi bwoime Kithure Kindiki kurwa ogochika gwe Chinsa ise 24 elia bamenyi abamenyete angene Chinsa na magoko ye chikaunti chiri cha Samburu Turukana abanyare koba bakonganya kurwa wo ekerobono abanyanyimbo bakagere gochaka operation yabo litkulia lero nigo abange babamenyi kurwa ase county ya Samburu anene kurwa ase ensemo eli ya Lolengwa ni banyare koba bagochaka kunganya kurwa senseme yelinde koenana libaga abanyanyimbo abo banyare koba bakomnyokani ammo na ababegwa asenseme yo nonyabo abamenya banga banyare koba gweso kinigo baganire serikali nyara koba yakora operation ya bwango linde nyare koba koene kyo molembe nyare koba gokoirana asa chikaunti chyo
na hata unaona ile ka relief yenye Red Cross walikuwa wanatupea. Sasa mtu hata inabidi utoroke unafungia hapa ndio usiwawe. Hatujui kama utauliwa baadaye. Tumetoroka jamani.
Mimi nimekuwa nikisema ya kwamba nataka amani, hata nikitaka kwenda kufanya kazi, mimi sina amani ndani ya moyo wangu. Kwa sababu sijui nini itafanyika ndani ya watu yangu. Na sasa kwa leo nina regret hata nikisimama hapa, wale watu niko naye hakuna mtu wako hapa. Watu wameenda wote wamehama na tuko tunataka watu hame na ikifika mahali kama hapa sasa ni mahali inafikia ni crisis ambaye sijui nini itakuja kusaidia.
So in average we are losing 6 people per week. That's my statistics. We are losing 6 people per week. And our major work has become to bury and carry the corpse. So mine is only to urge the government that is doing operation. Kindly take that operation seriously. We are fed up with losing lives, innocent lives. So in brief, I will just urge the government to get these things out of people's hands.
Togosuka motumanchu muligereria omubere bwa omwana osenya rukanya gosira Sharon Chepkoskei akigeni gonyaleta ko bagogoika imeyense ya Kenya nena segetigie chindege kia Eldoret International Airport kubatakana na enka ya gose ya mate ya Sharon nigo mubere nyaleta ko bagoika litko lero dia igoro ase boigo ya mate yegeneta ko bagoikwaligania ase omoroberio obwoko mwenia Sharon iganyaleta ko baga gosiria obogima bwaye ange omotenyo kabere chitariki emerongo ebere kerobono arenge ko baga gwa kontimbu ase enseli Australia ase ensemo ya Sydney kolengana na abarabu gose ababwatani abenga yani go batebire nigo bale nogo ichano konenege kugera enyaruke yo Sharon iganyalete ko baga kugenda sense ya Australia anyare ko baga kwenyorera amasomo.
last year tulipata ripoti ya kwamba anataka kwenda Australia. Hakika tulishikana mkono kama mandugu na madada tuwezeshe Sharon aende Australia. Nikikumbuka last year baba yake alikuwa amechenga nyumba yake akafikiria mali. So hii safari ya ghafla ikakuja ikabidi asimamishe.
Siku meet Sharon tukiwa Australia because alikuja just 3 months. So hiyo time yenye tulikuwa tukutana naye Judy akiniambia tutafutie kazi ndio wakati nilikuwa ninakuja. I just came a week and that Tuesday nikaambiwa hiyo maneno imefanyika, but I really knew her and I want to really say it was so sudden. Hiyo news really hit the whole of Sydney, the whole of Australia, all the states, and we just pray that God gives us all courage, because literally we are all scared at the moment, because you're like, if this is how it will be happening, it's not so good, not just to the family but to everybody who is planning to go to Australia.
Chingaki obomo bwazimi obugendete ko bukwirigania anene gokora omorobekano omone chitariki 20 cy'umutinyo yo bono nigo abagaka kurwa asegesaku kiabagerebe sokirie na boigo kugikeria okorobekano kukonyare ko bagokwarinagani gwane nobomo obwazimio korengana nabagaka bunigo baga muganire gosaba muboririe omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto anyare ko baga gwesokia sobongi asobwango na boigo kweneke ngonyare ko baga gokora chingwana chiabene na omurai uyibobomo bwazimio Raila Odinga eligotanga okorekana kwa okorobekano ko korengana nabagaka uboigo nigo bate bire chingaki echine chingaki abakenya baganete ko baba okorerwa amagendro na boigo tali korobekana asijipara okokora irere anene ko bagano konge na boigo okoerania maiga amagendro
kaini utilifu kwa hii viongozi hii ya William Ruto. Sasa yeye ndio president ya Kenya. Mimi nataka nyinyi kama watu wetu ambayo sisi walichaguliwa wanakwenda kwake na kwenda kuomba maendeleo. Wapi mbaya? Yeye ndio president. Sasa mimi nasema watu wote, watoto wote Wajaluo ungana kwa amani wa Kenya.
Not for mandamano. We are not for that. We are for peaceful negotiations. And even if you can look, what are the people? I mean, people who have the bigger senses. You will hear them talking of dialogue.
It is between Raila Odinga and Ruto. Without a dialogue, Kenya will turn into turmoil. There will be a lot of chaos, which will disrupt the economy of Kenya. Our children need employment.
Togoska motwe oyo kabeire omokonyi bomurai bwense mense ya Kenya mudawori nigaboririe serikali ya Kenya kwanza enyareko baye kuyarigania na kwendekenge nyareko baye gukirani chira a nyareko baye kuriera aba Kenya chingaki chiria chie campaign kolengana na mudawori nigatebire chingaki chia siasa nigo chanyareko bachikoera aseboigo aboririe oboteneri boigo be serikali ya Kenya kwanza bonyareko boko bwateli chiko ekerege tambo kerokende gyonsi bakoira anene se ya umurai bwense William Ruto boigo mudawori nigo anyareko bagakomogania Musalia Mudavadi anyareko bagagosira oburai bore ase serikali ya bono elinda magendera anyareko bagagwikira bakenya bonsi.
We emphasized one point, that Kenya Kwanza won the elections on its manifesto. And the manifesto emphasized the interest of the ordinary mwananchi. And I'm delighted to see that that is where the direction is going. And the direction is going because we need unity. Side shows, we want to leave them. Elections are gone. Kenya Kwanza is in place. And let it follow its manifesto. Let us always root together. Let us always ensure that the Constitution is respected and all will be well. I want to thank my son, Honorable Musalia, for finding time. I want to emphasize that he should continue to support His Excellency, the President, because he, the President, it doesn't matter what his age, he is now our father. He is the father of the nation.
Togusika moto wikira se county ya Kericho na Bomet boigo maigiga ye komiti yenyanete kobage gocha kwa bene ase chi county cha Kericho na Bomet ligo kwanera na goetera ago kwanera mange ayo gosama kongu ayo abali mbeke merigie chae bakonyara ko bagwetera chi county echo ibere bono nigo ekamati yenyanete kobage ko ena no roboti bene ochia ase abagabana be chi county echo ibere go kwana litko uli lero mugabana we county ya Kericho Eric Mutai niga tebire barachiko bagwetera oroboti oru asenchire bwikirana kwenekia anenenga banyale ko bago kore mechando na makongu abalemi ibeke meriye chabagenda ko bagwetera such county echo ibere.
And I've seen a bit of the task force report. They are proposed in the report because they went round every sub-county and meet members of public, and they met different stakeholders. And what has come out on the 20 issues of mechanization is that the report has proposed a 40-60% arrangement where we have 60% of mechanization, 60% of mechanization and 40% of hand labor. We've seen, for example, some other companies going 100% full mechanization, others doing 10%, and the rest doing this. We want to have an harmony on how we'll move forward as one. And this is a proposal that has been done by the task force. From here, we'll be able to move and do what is need to be done in terms of forming a technical team to agree now with the two parties.
The report is very exhaustive, I must say. To Meketi Pale, we have listened through the issues that they have covered. Almost, in fact, they went over and above what we had asked them to do, in all fairness. They have told us of even existing opportunities in these private estates that, as many people of Kericho, we were not aware of. Opportunities where we can make better value for our people and better earnings for our county, many of which we are not aware.
Gotigana na roboti oruro mugavana we county ya Kericho Eric Mutai na logoto ikelia omwelio mangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi chiabono mugoroba tigangira libagere wakarangambia mano mwancho muligira sokwera chinga kichia gogo sanga amona intwe Amayia yanaboigemero beli aao togenda tokoboto kwaliganira kurasegeta seni kiandize TV Chinsa emerongo eberena inya nitago semeria ngabo yonogenda tokobo kuyaligania asomorobelio ogocha gwechingero na anene antivirus ogenda tokobo kwegokia ase chinsemo ao boigombia mono oyo minto Joshu Auta kwenekianga amangana nyali ko bagochera ase enchera ya umuntu bimanyerelio na boigo oyo minto abigali nyanchama kwenekia una amaliogene chibiche nyali ko bagochira ase enchera yo boikero niliterane ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi ayangati yali tu tugenda ko bato kwaliganelia ase ensa mo Vincent Nyancha ngo chara sensa na boigo Chinsa iso chabutuko nyali ko bagokomanyia aya amona mange ngagenda ko bagagwateka kurwa chingongo ao tuara obuligererio bya kurwa segeta seni Ndizi TV obwansu bomo Gusii.